emergency broadcast. Please listen to this broadcast very carefully to...
This is not drill. PPTV has returned in Gorilla Tag, so has J3VU. This is serious. You need to warn others before they are attacked by the dangerous hackers on Gorilla Tag. I would advise you to never join the code 11152829 warning. This is not fake news. Stay safe. May Gorilla Tag be in peace.
This emergency broadcast is not a drill. Please do not panic and do not turn off your device during the emergency broadcast.
Warning, you cannot run, you cannot hide, you cannot see them, but they can see you. They are always watching you. They are waiting for the right moment to attack and destroy all Gorilla Tag players once and for all. Please, stay safe.